Good morning, Pirates. Welcome to Pioneer Morning News. Today is June 4th, 2026. Only 7 more days of school. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Today on the menu, we have pulled pork mac and cheese. Now let's go to a weather report from our Pioneer Morning News weather enthusiast, Reese McNamara.
Good morning, Pioneer. I'm Reese with your Pioneer weather. Looking at the satellite image, we can see clouds moving across the western Washington from the Pacific Ocean, bringing rain to our area today. Now it's time for our walk home forecast. If you walk home today at 3, it will be the day's high at 69 degrees with a low of 48, and it will be raining. Now for the UV index. Today it will be 5, which means there will be a chance of getting burned. It will be 5 from 12 to 2 p.m., then go lower after 2. Now it's time for our 4-day forecast. Thursday's high will be 69 with a low of 48 with rain. Friday's high will be 60 with a low being around 44 with rain. Saturday's high will be 63 with a low of 44 with sun and storms. Sunday's high will be 61 with a low of 44 with rain. It's going to be raining cats and dogs outside. If you're heading outside for a walk, make sure you don't step in a poodle. That's your Pioneer weather for this week. Have a great day. Pirates, rain or shine, we'll see you next time.
Attention 8th graders. The 8th grade promotion is on Tuesday, June 9th in the Pioneer Gymnasium. 8th graders should arrive at 4 p.m. and the ceremony starts at 4:30 p.m. The dress code is semi-formal. For more events and updates, be sure to keep an eye on the announcements ticker at the bottom of your screen. It's time to celebrate someone who makes Pioneer Middle School an amazing place to be. Each week, we will recognize a student who stands out through leadership, kindness, school spirit, or academic effort, and who represents what it truly means to be a Pioneer Pirate. Let's take a look at this week's Pirate of the Week and how they demonstrate our RS values: active learner, responsible, respectful and safe, and building our Pioneer community.
Hello, my name is Lydia Roger, reporting for Pioneer Morning News. This week's Pirate of the Week is Canoes Gill, a 7th grade student recognized for showing leadership and kindness and following the R's. Canoes Gill is a great example of a Pioneer Pirate because Canoes engages immediately upon entering the classroom and does everything she can to help her peers master the material they're covering in class. She is actively engaged in class, responsible for her schoolwork, respectful of her peers, and through her kindness helps to build our Pioneer community. How do you feel about being Pirate of the Week?
It's an honor and I never expected to be chosen.
What advice can you give to other students who want to be Pirate of the Week?
I would tell them to work hard, listen to their teachers, and get all their assignments done on time in class.
Congratulations, Canoes Gill, our Pirate of the Week.
Now it is time for the joke of the day. How did Ben Franklin feel after discovering electricity? Shocked. Thank you, Miss Mateus, for the joke. If you have a funny joke, please send it to us. That is it for today. Thanks for watching and have a great day, Pirates.